automatic. Do I gotta have it?
Ladies and gentlemen, there's something about this girl, man. From around my way.
Hey guys, it's me, Deja Marie. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I made this bucket hat out of this coat. I've had this coat since elementary school and I couldn't fit it anymore, and I thought the best thing to do with it is use it for fabric. The first thing I'm going to do is cut out all my pieces. The first piece I'm going to need is a circle for the top of the hat. This is just me trying to perfect my circle and ultimately failing. Now I'm just going to cut out my imperfectly perfect circle and move on to my next pieces. The next pieces I will be drawing and cutting out will be my brim pieces. And I'm going to cut out 3 of these semicircle shapes because I want my brim to be more floppy than straight. If your material is big enough and flat enough without any obstructions, then you can make a full circle piece instead of breaking it up into 3 like I did. Then that would be your best bet to go with, and that will help it look a lot neater too. The next piece I will be cutting out will be the piece that connects the top circle to the brim, which consists of rectangle. In order to get the right size of the rectangle that I need, I'm going to measure all the way around my circle, then use that number and make sure I have enough fabric to make my rectangles. I believe your rectangle can be one long strip, but my piece wasn't long enough, so I had to cut it in 2 and sew them together. After you have your long rectangle piece, you're going to pin it all the way around your circle and sew the pieces together. This part was me realizing that 2 semicircles was not going to be enough for my hat and cutting out my additional 3rd piece. And to make sure that all my pieces are cut out in the same size and shape, I stacked them all together and cut along the inner curve. After cutting those pieces out, you should place your brim around the hat like such, pin it, and sew all the way around. Now I'm going to go ahead and sew my brim onto my hat. After sewing the brim on, I'm going to go all the way to the end of the brim and hem it by folding it over once and sewing all the way around it. And once my brim was hemmed, here is how my hat turned out. I absolutely love the hat. It is very warm. The floppy is the perfect floppy. I feel like the fur gives it the perfect fall winter vibes. I paired my hat with this denim fur vest that I made with the scraps of the coat that was left over from making this hat. The video for that is coming up next, but tell me in the comments how you think I did. Would you wear this? Would you recreate? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Ladies and gentlemen, there's something about this girl, man. From around